It gives me great pleasure to welcome a very special person, the President of IANC, Sangeeta Rao. Under her leadership, our community has continued to grow stronger, more vibrant, and more united. She has always led by example, inspiring us all with her vision, dedication, and commitment to every initiative we undertake. Let's put our hands together and give her a warm welcome as she comes on stage to share a few words with us.
Thank you, Neha. Namaste and very warm welcome to our Diwali celebration, Deepanjali. On behalf of India Association of Northern Colorado, which is otherwise called as IANC, I'm delighted to welcome you all to this evening of lights, laughter, and togetherness. Tonight, as the lamps of Diwali shine around us, I want to begin by thanking each of you, our community members, volunteers, sponsors, and guests, for being here to celebrate the Festival of Lights together. Diwali is one of those rare events that unites all of us, regardless of where we come from, what language we speak, because it represents something universal, as Neha already mentioned, the triumph of light over darkness, hope over despair, and good over evil. For us, Diwali is not just about fireworks, sweets, and new clothes, though let's be honest, we all love those. It's also a time to pause, reflect, and renew. As Indians in America, Diwali also reminds us of bridge between our heritage and our adopted homeland. This year, our IANC family has had a colorful journey together. To list a few, we started the year with Republic Day celebration, where our community came together in large numbers to honor India's constitution and diversity. It was a wonderful blend of patriotism, culture, and just a little bit of friendly competition over whose cooking skills stole the show. Then came Holi, the festival that proved once again that adults love throwing colors at each other just as much as kids do. Summer brought us outdoors for our annual picnic, full of laughter and some very serious dog and the bone game. If you were there, you know what I'm talking about. Our Adopted Trail program showed that community service can be fun. We combined fitness, friendship, and environmental responsibility all in one morning. This year, we launched an airport pickup help for Colorado State University students, inviting our community to welcome new students from India. Kudos to IANC committee this year. And now we gather for Deepanjali, our grand Diwali celebration. And what an overwhelming response we had this year. It's heartwarming to see that this hall is glowing not only just with lights, but joy, energy, and everyone being present here. And we are not done yet. In 2 weeks, we will be conducting a food bank volunteer drive in 2 weeks. Please sign up. Giving everyone another chance to spread light through surveys. I encourage all of you to sign up. It's one of those rare events where you get a chance to serve the community. I want to take this moment to sincerely thank our organizing committee, performers, and volunteers. Without you, this event would not be possible. Coming to our INC committee this year. Each of our committee members has worked tirelessly throughout the year, bringing creativity, dedication, and teamwork to every event. From planning cultural programs to coordinating volunteers and managing logistics, this constant enthusiasm, commitment, and team spirit have truly given the driving force behind IANC's success and reason our community continues to shine brighter with every celebration. I think you all agree with that. And I don't want to forget the fun and laughter we had every time we met. Kudos to IANC Executive Committee 2025. We together appreciate the help and inputs from our executive board members and election committee, always. A heartfelt thanks to our young youth coordinators who remind us that future of the community is bright and in capable hands. As we light diyas tonight, let us also remember to support one another, to give back to our communities, and to keep spreading the warmth of Indian culture wherever we go. Thank you all for being here. May this Diwali bring you and your families happiness, health, and endless light. Namaste and happy Diwali to everyone.